इतने देर से बोल रही हूँ, आई हैव नो आइडिया। जस्ट लुकिंग एट माई हेयर कितना खराब हो गया, बट नॉट सो बैड ना। Okay. 2015. So I come back home. I stay in my house a week, 10 days, and I notice the energy in my house. Mm, I don't know how to describe it to you. It was so draining. It was so negative in a sense, crippling almost. And तभी समझ में आया भाई के साथ क्या हुआ. And I'm like, if this is the energy of the house, how the heck am I, expecting this kid to first of all survive in this environment, and then like study and pass exams? No, like इतना बुरा लगा था मुझे that I was so hard on him. um I don't know, like people who have family members with mental health conditions. it's it's like a black hole or suction energy चलता रहता है around, it's very weird. And my father was poor man, office, home, अभी बेटे का ये हो रहा है. The wife is like, mom was like unrecognizable, like beyond any understanding. को कुछ कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा था. Like I had left my mother home and I had come back to find I don't know what. So suddenly I started filling those roles. Okay, so घर ना मेरा ऐसा sorry इतने बार like I have journaled about this, I've written about this. It's just every time. So I couldn't tell anyone that my family was falling apart. And I don't know, it was very natural for me to step into those, he like hold things together. मैं पकड़ के रखती हूँ. So Papa went to office. I relieved him of any home responsibilities कि घर का छोड़ दो, देख लेंगे हम लोग. We got a cook to do the cooking. Mama के साथ भी like whatever possible. I started spending a lot of time with my brother. So I think my emotional battery जितना था ना, everything went into rebuilding that कि सब कुछ पकड़ के रखना है. You can't let this go. So yes, a little out of survival instinct, but also out of love and कि my family, you know. So that happened, and that is all going on inside. Like my father is able to understand, and he kept saying for a long time that if you had not come back that day, I don't know. He had taken that till that point. Like वो कैसे किया था पापा ने, even I don't know. He said that तू वापस नहीं आती तो I don't know how I would have survived another day. So how do you tell all this to people who ask you what you're doing with your life, right? Um, I started, I told my father I'll appear for civil services, एग्ज़ाम्स यूपीएससी देते हैं, पढ़ाई करूँगी, कोचिंग तो लेके रखा है, नोट्स है, आई कैन टेक ऑनलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज वगैरह देके, तो आई स्टार्टेड ऑन दैट पाथ. तो इनिशियली आई वॉज एबल टू सस्टेन, मतलब मैं आई थी फ्रॉम द पीक ना, मतलब माई मास्टर्स had ended on such a high that I had come with that energy कि यार करेंगे कुछ, and then I'd come into this, है ना. तो पढ़ाई initially I used to be able to focus, and like I think my first attempt was still, I think out of all my attempts, which were three, that was the first one was the best one actually. Then झटका लगा कि ऐसे कैसे, मतलब अभी तो टॉपर होके निकले थे कैसे, and I'm not able to understand the toll that these unseen factors are taking on my mental health. Okay, मतलब मैं वापस वो जो 11th में एक जो हो रहा था ना, I was not able to notice that I was going back into that, and हुआ फिर, then came second attempt. I'll talk about all of this in detail another video sometime. So second attempt में ना I had understood ये मेरा चीज़ नहीं है, this is not my cup of tea. मैं it was like pushing walls, मतलब मैं खड़े होके ना वहाँ पे walls push कर रही हूँ and nothing is moving. It breaks you, yeah, it breaks you. But then again, very image conscious, such an image conscious achiever, good girl na, कि everybody knows, like, and we used like live in a township, कॉलोनी बोलते हैं ना, तो like everybody knows what you're doing, like अरे बेटा हो जाएगा एग्ज़ाम, ये एग्ज़ाम, तो हमने ओके ठीक है. तो यार मैं फंस गई थी, like मे बी कोई और ना फंसता, बट that thing was there in me, I always had that. तो उसमें फंस गई मैं, like I just couldn't give it up. ऐसा लग रहा था कि इसको छोड़ दिया तो लाइफ ख़त्म हो जाएगा अभी. डिटेल में another video, ठीक है. So all that is going on here, my mental health is going down and down and down and down. My sense of self is deteriorating, like एकदम बिखरते जा रहा है, like ठीक है. And I can't talk about this to anybody, like सबके साथ ही एक like एक image and protection and everything, even with the guy, because अभी क्या हो रहा था, he was doing very well in his career, वो अपना उसका प्लान के हिसाब से चल रहा था, तो he is तो acing and everything, तो beyond a point कितना मैं you know like, and what other stuff that was going on with me, I don't think he had the emotional capacity to bear it, or neither did I share. मतलब मैंने कभी एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं किया, मुझे पता भी नहीं था एक रिलेशनशिप में वो सब एक्सपेक्ट करना नॉर्मल होता है. आई डिडंट नो देन. So that went. So nobody to tell everything to. Tortured myself for many years. Mental health ऐसा, मतलब I'll tell you the example. तो मैं sitting with a book in front of me, uh, 2-3 hours, ठीक है, and I've read, पढ़ती जा रही हूँ, not one thing has registered, nothing. It's been like as if I've been staring at a blank page for a long time. तो उस टाइम पे a lot of inner वो होता है ना, कुरुक्षेत्र अंदर, मतलब it's like घमासान. So to such an extent ना, um, I could not like stay in one place. Like if I'm not running around ना, मैं ना भागने लगती थी. I used to run around the township. Closed campus था ना, तो only if I'm running am I able to like tolerate that suffering. तो ऐसे पॉइंट पे तब तक आई वाज लाइक शुरू हो गया था मेरा. आई थिंक मास्टर्स के टाइम से ही सिस्टर शिवानी के वीडियोस देखना एंड लाइक थोड़ा स्पिरिचुअल ये वो करके शुरू हुआ था. आई हैड बीन फॉलोइंग सदगुरु वेरी क्लोजली फॉर अ फ्यू इयर्स बाय देन. एंड इनर इंजीनियरिंग प्रोग्राम के बारे में पता तो था. तो एक दिन वो आया झटका वो वाला ना, कि जो क्लास 12th में आया था कि आर्ट्स ह्यूमैनिटीज लेंगे, जाके कन्फेस करेंगे वाला, जो एक लाइफ चेंजिंग डे वैसा और एक आया अभी. आई वाज लाइक नहीं यार, लाइक आई हैव गॉट टू डू समथिंग. मतलब मैं वीडियो देख रही हूँ, मैं सुन रही हूँ, मैं ये कर रही हूँ, एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट नॉट डूइंग. एक्शन कुछ नहीं हो रहा है उसमें. ठीक है. तो आई फाउंड आउट इंजीनियर इंजीनियरिंग का होने वाला था वाशी. आई यूज टू लिव इन पनवेल, तो पनवेल तो वाशी जाती थी मैं. लाइक अ वीक लॉन्ग, इट वॉज अ 1 week लॉन्ग थिंग. दिस वॉज 2017 December. ठीक है. Oh, um, beautiful. Another part of my life I've not shared till now. Chronic illness. For it started in 2011. When I'm saying the things that started getting better and everything. उसके साथ एक I'll go into details and I'll tell exactly what it is maybe sometime in future, but just know a lot of physical pain and bleeding and suffering like consistently over 10 years, from like 2011 to 2020 2021 तक रहा वो. So 2017 December, inner engineering initiation. Okay. And listening to Sadhguru on the screen, and my first, I don't know what you call that, awakening moment. वो जो फर्स्ट एक जाके ना मेरे वो भ्रम में जिसमें भी थी ना, one moment that like shattered and I was able to see the light and it's because the revelation. I'll talk about it someday. You're like you're living in your head, you're not even living in reality. जो तुम्हारे आसपास हो रहा है तुम उसमें जी भी नहीं रहे हो. तुमने अपनी ही दुनिया बनाए रखी है. एंड I don't know what got transmitted in that one thing. At least for that, 1 day, 1 week जो भी था, like I could see पहले बार ना, I could see my created psychological drama in that world. गुरु बोलते रहे ना, psychological drama your own. दिखा मेरे को पहली बार. हेलो माय गॉड, मैं इसमें क्या जी रही हूँ. my life is in that and उसी में चल रहा है. And here is like real life, like outside, like life actually going on and like, and then you get sucked into that. ठीक है. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत ग्रेविटेशनल पुल होता है उस स्टेट का एक. तो लकीली इनर इंजीनियरिंग तब से शिद्दत से शांभवी महामुद्रा शुरू किया था. ठीक है. आई थिंक अगेन यूपीएससी वाला तो चल ही रहा है. ठीक है. आई एम टॉर्चरिंग माई सेल्फ एंड एवरीथिंग. रिलेशनशिप्स में थोड़ा खिंचातानी शुरू हो रहा था बिकॉज I am like going this down spiral ना, and this guy is going up. तो वो एक the distance that started coming in, तो उसकी वजह से बहुत ये it is not so noticeable to us that because हम दोनों ने ना इस चीज़ को बहुत granted ले लिया था कि ये तो forever life, like for me and for him also, I know that कि this is forever thing है ये जो है. तो देयर वाज नो इवन क्वेश्चन ऑफ कि और एक्सपेक्टेशन होना चाहिए क्या और कुछ ये नथिंग. तो था वो एक पार्ट. देन व्हाट एल्स इज गोइंग ऑन. हाँ. Then chronic illness hits a peak, and I have to undergo surgery in 2018. उसमें because of that एक break लगा शांभवी महामुद्रा में. Otherwise after surgery का जो recovery था, after that I started again. You have to do a mandala and then start again. तो वो शुरू कर दिया था. So in 2019, by that time, I have given 3 attempts at civil services UPSC exam. And मेरा वो ठीक है. Mama by then had stabilized. And मेरे घर पे रहते रहते my brother cleared that. उस साल का तो क्लियर हो ही गया था. एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर ऑल्सो साथ देख के like obviously he did the thing. I was there, but that passed on like वो जैसे करके. Then we put him in a college in Pune. उसका तो फिर अलग ही चैप्टर शुरू होना था, वो हमको नहीं पता था, बट ठीक है, बॉय डेल्ट विद इट. तो we put him in Pune. Engineering. Okay. Sorry, like engineers, if you're listening to this. Nothing against you guys or engineering. It's just वो तब बहुत ये था यार. हाँ. तो 2019, this guy, boyfriend, wants to go abroad for further studies and decides to tell at home that we are serious about each other and we want to be together in the future and be married basically. तो इनिशियली देयर वाज अ लिटिल खिंचातानी, बट मैंने एक्चुअली घर पे ना बहुत पहले ही बता के रख दिया था. बिकॉज लड़की फादर वांट्स टू लुक फॉर अ गाय फॉर यू. तो उसके पहले आई हैड टू टेल एंड कीप. तो मैंने मोर और लेस उनको पता था मेरे घर पे. तो वो हो गया. देन हाँ. देन वी मेट families. ठीक है. And I'm going through this again, like like अभी तक mental health wise where I am, right? Like all this is happening. I'm keeping myself standing somehow ऐसा वाला हाल था. And this was the one good thing in my life as I saw it, the relationship. कि ऐसा लग रहा था कि सब कुछ ही that I tried to build, ऐसा लग रहा था everything had come down to मतलब ऐसा powder. Nothing was standing. But this was one thing that I had poured myself into, and it was a good thing. But since the marriage topic started, I started having a lot of reactions internally for me. Like I just break out crying out of nowhere. बहुत like मेरे साथ ना आई थिंक वो चीज़ बैठा ही नहीं. Whatever the setting was and whatever I was, it was just it didn't go like this. It was always like kacha 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 ये वाला ही रह गया वो. तो so much friction got passed into the relationship also between him and I, that at one point of time I lost the trust that this was going to be a good thing for my life. To tell you in पता नहीं, अभी बोल देते, बार बार बोलने का मन नहीं करेगा शायद. I saw what women describe as the golden cage of marriage. मतलब please don't take it the wrong way. I'm not saying anybody did anything to me. मैं वो नहीं बोल रही. But मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था ना कि this is no, this is not my way. This is the end of possibilities for my life. Was the feeling I was getting. Mm, I would have मेरा ना ऐसा लगता था एयर सप्लाई ब्लॉक हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो लाइक बीच बीच में वो होता था. देन मैनी अदर थिंग्स एंड देन वी हैड अ फाइट, him and I, on a video call. And despite the friction, so for me a relationship has meaning till there is an energetic cord between the two people. And in that fight ना वो cord ना वो क्या होता तब तक ना वैसे खींच के ना वो बहुत पतली हो गई थी. Like it had been stretched so much ना वो ऐसा then one moment में ना ये shrink snapped. Okay, so I think that was the deciding moment for me. I remember going in the dead face, like no expression, nothing. I remember मेरे अंदर से ना वो खत्म हो सब कुछ खत्म हो गया था. I can't describe like मुश्किल है. ठीक है, तो इसके बाद अभी शादी कैसे करें हम. लाइक रहा ही क्या. लाइक इफ माई bond to that person is broken, okay, something that I valued so highly, अगर वो ही नहीं रहा तो मैं किस चीज़ के लिए शादी करूँ. So it sort of became clear to me that this is not going forward. ये नहीं होने वाला है. The first accepting to myself, and it's not like देखो I'm not in like doing very well in life, ठीक है, that in any other way I have power कि मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि नहीं मुझे वो करना है जाके मैं यहाँ पे इतना कर रही हूँ करियर एंड ये वो एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. देयर इज नथिंग. आई had nothing to hold on to. This was like my last this thing, कि खुशी and achievement or something where I felt like what I had poured into had taken a good form. मैंने जो जिस पे इतना जान क्या था क्या बोलते हैं उसको. Anyways, let's just say I poured into it so much. Okay, am I going on for too long now? Okay. So first to accept it to myself, then who's the second person that I can tell? My brother. Mera, what do I call it? Apple of my eye, the biggest piece of my heart. So I went and told my brother. पुणे गई थी मैं. He was there ना. तो mama, papa and I had taken a trip and we had gone to see him. Mama was becoming stable by then. Like I think pretty stable. She was out of that phase of very very difficult phase for mama and us. So I told him, and he agreed. He be whatever you've told me. I obviously don't want to tell you everything. I told him. He agreed that whatever I'm saying, I'm speaking, I'm in the right mind, and I should do what my heart is telling me to do. Then I told my parents, Bechare. God, yeah, like they had also had such a difficult time now. इनिशियली तो इट वाज लाइक ये लड़की पता नहीं क्या है, लाइक सोचो ना, लाइक 10 साल मैंने निभाया था रिश्ता ना, एंड देन आई वाज द वन हु हैड सेड कि मुझे ये बंदे से शादी करनी है and all that stuff. And my family, oh god, my extended family, uncle, auntie, chacha, chachi, sab everybody had like gone from here for the engagement ceremony. I gotten engaged also. बोलना भूल गई ना मैं, हाँ, I gotten engaged also. uh, then I tell my parents कि ऐसा है, तो like my father is something, dad asked me if I had told him कि तूने उसको बोला है क्या, and I was like नहीं पापा, मैंने उसको नहीं बोला है. Reason being that I think he had some interviews or something coming up, and I did see relationship was ending, but I had not become like, he was not my enemy ना, मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि now I don't care what happens to you type नहीं था. I cared, I care for people. So I was like, this is not a good time to tell him. Plus मैं आप लोग के साथ हूँ, I have family here, like I have you all and I can share. He's alone over there, उसका family नहीं है, they are here in India. He's coming back soon. Let him be with his parents. वो अपने space में रहे. Let him wrap up his stuff over there and come as much as possible. फिर बोलूँगी मैं. And I think when my father heard that ना, मुझे पता नहीं था डैड क्या टेस्ट करते रहते ना मुझे कभी कभी. He's like, if this is the decision you're taking and you haven't stopped being a human being, like तुमने अपना humanity नहीं छोड़ दिया है, then you must be on the right path. कहाँ मिलते हैं ऐसे पेरेंट्स, I don't know. God, मतलब मामा पापा both, हाँ. Because mama was also noticing me. मैं बहुत झगड़े वगड़े जो कुछ होते थे ना, mama was getting worried. She used to ask me, तुम लोग इतना झगड़ा करते हो, अभी ऐसा है तो बाद में क्या होगा and all that. So that happened. Then 2019 दिसंबर आते आते I was like न्यू ईयर में मैं ये यूपीएससी वाला फांसी का फंदा गले से उतार के again. He's, yeah, like very decent path for those who can do it. But for me, it has become like such a. Anyways, so I was like, I am releasing myself. Like even if my image shatters and if I don't know what's going to happen to me, but I have to risk it because I can't suffer like this anymore. इतना ज़्यादा suffering, God. Now I understand क्यों डाला था, why I put myself through, but I feel so sorry for that girl now, like, oh God. और एक वीडियो, वेरी डिटेल वीडियोस में जाना है एक बार. um so I decided not to anymore. I was like, come what may, I'm not torturing myself like that anymore. And as all this is happening, okay, I have to tell you that he came to India and I told him everything. Things went down really roughly. Like the ending was the opposite of the relationship I had had. Matlab, the relationship was like, I think, exemplary, like for uh, kids who had not much sense. Like नहीं पता था दुनिया यार, and then figuring out your own lives, but still able to have a really stable relationship. Obviously, I now see how unhealthy and all that, but वो अभी दिख रहा है बहुत कुछ उसमें. But फिर भी for that time ना, it was good good thing. It was something that had given me a lot of strength over those years. um Ekdam opposite. Oh god, it was such a bad ending. जाऊंगी अगेन डिटेल में उसमें एक बार. uh, we were moving back to Guwahati by then. Like, look at the timing now. Matlab, see na. My father retired, and we had decided to move back to our own state. कि असम आ जाएंगे वापस. But we'll be in Guwahati 2020 instead of जोरहाट जाने की जगह we'll stay in Guwahati. तो this chapter closes. I call off UPSC wala plans altogether. Then we pack everything, घर बार सब कुछ बांध के, and I'm like, we're sending our stuff away ना ट्रक में, फिर फ्लाइट में बैठी हुआ and everything, and I'm like thinking, like, I came away from there with no strings attached. मतलब ऐसा ना, there was nothing that connected me to that place ever, and I felt a divine hand pick me up out of that. I can't give you proof for that, and I'm not going to try even. But yeah, I know there was, you know, it was not just my doing. मुझे उतना लग रहा था कि something much bigger is happening to me. And then I come 2020 Guwahati. yes. ये दूसरा ही चक्की पीसिंग शुरू हुआ था, but yeah, I'll pause this one, go to the next video.